Hello and welcome to this video. In this guide, you'll learn how to install a single-point battery watering system step by step. We've also created a separate video showing how to choose the right kit for your battery. You can find that on our channel. If you've already completed that step, you should now have a complete kit ready for installation. Before we begin, there are a few important things you should know. Depending on the size of your battery, the cells may be divided into two sections to ensure better water distribution. For this, we've designed a dedicated coupler that manages the flow and helps maintain a consistent water level across all cells. Each kit also includes an installation guide that shows exactly how to route the tubing and where to place the coupler. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. Before starting the installation, make sure to wear proper protective equipment such as gloves, safety glasses, and suitable clothing. Industrial batteries contain corrosive electrolyte, so avoiding direct contact is important. Also ensure that the battery is in a safe and stable environment before you begin working. You don't need much equipment for this installation. A simple cutter to trim the tubing is all you need. Now let's begin with the installation. Start by carefully removing all safety caps from the battery. Take your time during this step, as the electrolyte inside the battery is corrosive and can be dangerous if it comes into contact with your skin or eyes. Once the caps are removed, check if an adapter is required for your battery type. If needed, the correct adapter is included in your kit. Simply insert the adapter into the cell opening. It should fit easily without applying force. After that, your battery is ready for the next step. In this step, you'll double-check your float length. If you selected your kit correctly, the float should already be the right size. However, to be sure, use the included measuring tool and confirm that the color matches your float. Once confirmed, simply attach the float to the filling plug using the clip system. This also allows you to easily remove or adjust the float if needed. Once the float is attached, you can begin installing the filling plugs. Insert each plug into the battery cells and secure them in place. Use the included system layout sheet to align the plugs correctly. This will make the tubing installation much easier later on. Take your time during this step to ensure that each filling plug is properly installed. In this example, we are using a quarter-turn plug, but other versions such as clip-in or threaded plugs are also common. Depending on the type, the installation may vary slightly, but the process remains simple and straightforward. Once all filling plugs are installed and aligned correctly, you can begin with the tubing. Use the included layout sheet as a guide for the correct routing. Start from one plug and move to the next, connecting each one step by step. When cutting the hose, it's better to leave it slightly longer rather than too short. While routing the tubing creates small natural curves instead of tight lines, this helps ensure a better and more consistent water flow. Then firmly push the hose onto each filling plug until it is fully secured. Repeat this process until you have completed the full loop. Depending on your system, you may have one or two open ends remaining. Leave around half a meter of extra hose length. This will make it easier to connect your coupler later on. Once the tubing is complete, the final step is to install the coupler. Simply attach it to the remaining end of the hose and connect it so that the system forms a closed loop. Because you left some extra hose length, you have enough flexibility to position the coupler in a convenient location. Optionally, you can use cable ties to secure the hose to the charger cable, keeping everything organized and in place. Your system is now fully installed and ready to use. To start watering, connect the coupler to your water supply and observe the flow indicator. As water moves through the system, you'll see the indicator activate. Once all cells are filled, the indicator eyes on each filling plug will rise, showing that the correct level has been reached. Make sure to only water the battery after a charging cycle for best results and long battery life. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties during the installation, feel free to contact us. Our support team is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.